This video is to show you how to search and register for your classes. Start at the Lone Star College homepage and go to My Lone Star. Log in with your username and password. Be sure that you are on your student tab. This is the one with the graduation cap. Click here. Once you are on your student homepage, click on Manage Classes. This is the one with the graduation cap and the calendar. Manage Classes. You're going to click on Class Search and Enroll. In the left column, third from the top, Class Search and Enroll. Choose the semester that you plan to register for. In this example, we are using 2019 summer. Type in the class that you are looking for. Example, ENGL space 1301, English 1301, and click Enter. All of these classes are filtered here at Tomball. You can see that here at LSC-Tomball in this box, and up here at LSC-Tomball right here. If your classes are not showing Tomball classes, click on this X to remove this filter. Go to the left column, scroll down to LSC-Tomball, and click that hyperlink. Now all of your English classes you're looking at are filtered for Tomball. Click into this box and start searching. You'll notice this section number begins with a 3 or a K. You're in the right place for looking at Tomball classes. Section numbers that begin with 3 are located here at the Tomball campus, and section numbers that begin with K take place in the Creekside Center. Pay attention to the second column in the section number. That tells you how the course will be taught. For instance, 3T is typical or traditional in-person face-to-face class. 3E is an online course. H is hybrid, some online, some in person. N is night. The class starts after 4 p.m. W is a weekend, which means it takes place on a Saturday. C is combined or co-requisite. Please note that evening and weekend classes may be limited over the summer. Look through the classes to find the one that best fits your learning style and your schedule. Please pay attention to meeting dates and as well as days and times and any labs associated with this class. Once you're ready to make your decision, hover over your choice, click on the yellow box, and you're good to go to the next step. These are the 4 steps left before you can register for this class. Review all of this information, the meeting dates, the times. Once you're ready, click Next. Step 2, you do not need a permission number. Please ignore this portion and click on the Accept button at the top right. If you are registering for more than one course at a time, add this course to your shopping cart. Once you're ready, click on the yellow Next at the top right. Review everything one more time for accuracy. When you're ready, click Submit. Are you sure you want to submit? Yes. This course is now in your shopping cart. So go to your shopping cart on the left column, second from the top. If everything looks accurate, click on this Select button over here on the left side, and then go to Enroll, the green button on the top right. Are you sure you want to enroll? Yes. If you get a red X, Come to advising and counseling and we can help you out. If you get a green check, that means you got registered for this class and you're ready to go and start that payment plan.